Hello, my dear students. This is St. Vidya Mandir English High School and Junior College, Vasai East, Palghar. Welcome to SSC Online Audio Video Lessons. Myself, Jyoti Shankar Shinde. I am teaching in Standard 6, subject Maths. Today we are going to see the chapter number 5, Decimal Fractions. Till now, we studied the addition, subtractions, and the multiplication of decimal fractions in previous videos. In solving problems with the units kilogram, gram, kilometer, meter, liter, milliliter, we have to express decimal fractions up to 3 decimal places. In this video, we are going to see showing the decimal fractions on the number line. So let us start. For example, observe how the numbers 0.7 and 5.5 are marked on the number line. To show decimal fractions on the number line, we should divide each unit into 10 equal parts. That means the distance between from 0 to 1, 1 to 2, etc. are 10 units. 0.7 means to start the counting from the 0 and count up to 7 lines, and the 7th line is known as 0.7. To show the 5.5 on the number line, we have to start counting from the 0. 0 to 5 it's 5 units, and after 5 there are the small 5 single units. We have to count that, and it is known as 5.5. In the same way, show the following numbers on the number line, that is 3.5, 0.8, 1.9 and 4.2. Converting a common fraction into a decimal fraction. You know that if the denominator of a common fraction is 10 or 100, it can be written as a decimal fraction. For example, 1 by 2 is a common fraction. We have to convert it into a decimal fraction to multiply the denominator and the numerator with 5. So let us start. 1 into 5, 5. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. So divide this 5 by 10, we get answer 0.5. It's a decimal fraction. 1 by 4, we have to convert this common fraction into a decimal fraction. We have to multiply the numerator and the denominator of 1 by 4 with 25. So let us start. So 1 into 25 is equal to 25. 4 into 25 is equal to 100. So divide this 25 by 100. So we get the answer 0.25. It's a decimal fraction. Like the above way, we can divide a fraction whose denominator is 1000 can also be written as a decimal fraction. So 5138 divided by 1000, our answer is 5.138, and 725 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.725. While converting common fraction into a decimal fraction, the denominator should be 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Till now we learn it. That's why we converted above fractions denominator 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Now next topic. If the denominator of a common fraction is 10, 100, 1000, then first, if there are more digits in the numerator than the zeros in the denominator, then count as many places from the right as the number of zeros and place decimal point before those places. For example, first one 247 divided by 10. So in the numerator there are the 3 digits, and in denominator there are one single zero. So start counting from the right side of the given number 247. So there are the one single zeros in denominator, so we have to just put a decimal point before 7. Second, 4723 divided by 100. That means in the denominator there are the two zeros. So we have to start counting the number from the right side. Leave the two digits 3 and 2. Before 2 we have to put the decimal point. That means our answer is 47.23. Now second type. If there are as many digits in the numerator as zeros in the denominator, then place the decimal point before the number in the numerator and a zero in the integer's place. For example, 9 by 10. Here, 1 0 in the denominator and the 1 digit in the numerator. So what we have to do? Just put a decimal point before the given digits and add 0 in integer's place. Our answer is 0.9. 33 by 100. Here the two zeros in the denominators and the two digits in numerator. So we have to put decimal points before two digits, that is 33, and put 0 in the integer place. Our answer is 0.33. The same thing applied to the 917 divided by 1000. So in the denominator there are the three zeros. We have to put the decimal points before three digits. That means 917 before decimal point and put 0 in integer place. So our answer is 0.917. Third type, if there are fewer digits in the numerator than the zeros in denominator, place some zeros before the digits in the numerator to make the digits equal in number to the zeros in the denominator. Place a decimal point before them and a zero in the integer's place. For example, 7 by 100. Here in this sum, there are two zeros in the denominator and one single digit in numerator. So we have to put 0 before 7 as many zeros in the denominator. So here the two zeros in denominator, so we have to put one more 0 before 7. So it becomes two digits 0 7. So and then put the decimal point before two digits, that means 0 7. We have to put the before it decimal point. So our answer is 0.07. Now next topic, converting decimal fractions into a common fraction. Till now we learn how to convert a common fraction into a decimal fraction whose denominators are 10, 100, 1000, like etc. Now we are going to convert a decimal fractions into a common fraction. For that what we have to do, see here. 26.4 we have to convert into a common fraction. For that we just have to put zeros in the denominator. How many digits after decimal point is there? So here the one digit after decimal point, so just put 1 0 in the denominator followed by 1. So our answer is 264 by 10. In second example, 0.04, this decimal fraction we have to convert it into common fraction. For that, here in this sum there are the two digits after decimal point. So just put two zeros followed by 1 in the denominator. So our answer is 4 by 100. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care.